Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ritang Vidati from Universitas Negeri Semarang. I will be present my literature review about inquiry learning model to improve student science literacy ability in science learning. Literacy skill are things that must be processed by student is facing work development and are able to face various exciting situations so that they are able to meet the needs of life. The importance of literacy for students because in the 21 country there are revolutionary changes in many fields that have an impact of the equality of human life and make the development of the world faster and more complex. It's improving the quality of life of modern society. Science literacy is the ability to understand science, communicate science, and apply science skill to solve problems. So, student needs to be scientific literacy. The low scientific literacy in Indonesia is an educational problem that requires immediate attention to be addressed because the low scientific literacy of student can affect human resource. The learning that is needs at this time is learning that can improve student scientific literacy because for student to prove a concept it takes scientific considers relates to everyday life reinforced by an experiment. The purpose of this literature review to identify question the right inquiry learning model to improve student scientific literacy in science learning. The inquiry learning approach is able to develop various abilities needs by student. Uh, Also state that the application of the inquiry model can improve the science process skill of student. This ability or skill closely relates the scientific literacy because scientific literacy provide opportunities for students to develop other ability. Okay, the paper is a literature review and inquiry model in improv scientific literacy. To find out this subject, we condition a Google Scholar search for article relates to inquiry learning models to improve student scientific literacy skill. The step take to determine the effect of the inquiry learning model to improve student scientific literacy skill are analysis to function of scientific analyze the low scientific literacy skill of student, analyze the reason why the inquiry learning model is able to improve scientific literacy skill, uh, the conclusion and present in this review. Program for International Student Assessment defines science literacy as person ability to and with issue relates to science and with science it is as a reflection sheets. Scientific literacy is person ability to solve problem and is same with same issue that are booming in society. So it can be interpreted that someone who has scientific literacy skill is someone who is able to apply scientific concept to various natural phenomena that occur in everyday life. In connection with the result of the PISA study, it is known that the scientific literacy of elementary school students is low. The ability of scientific literacy in general show that students have low scientific literacy skill. Student stu, Scientific literacy is impor- important for Indonesian people to survive in a increasingly modern and dynamic world talk competition with uh, for each country. Uh, the result of the analysis saw the inquiry-based learning is very well used to improve student scientific literacy. This is because the weight inquiry model facilitates the teacher and with student to plan and make investigation projects, conduct scientific investigation, combat research hypothesis, discussion in groups, and communicates the result of research to their friends. The conclusion, the ability of scientific literacy in general show that students have low scientific literacy skill with the inquiry learning model in which all students enter in learning is an effort to improve scientific literacy skill. By increasing scientific literacy skill, it will produce better human results. Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.